Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over one trade line that you could get for your business that will help you build business credit. And I'll show you how to go about doing that as well. It's called Nextiva. Nextiva is a voice over IP phone service that's for businesses. I've been using them now, I think since 2010, 2011. And they've really came a long ways, but they're a very large company. Voice over IP, a lot of you guys probably already know what that is. It's not an actual landline, but this is what most businesses use nowadays is voice over IP. They have plans where you can actually get the phones for free. As you can see right here, they're actual hard phones. They also have soft phones where you can actually have the app on your phone and use it that way on your cell phone. This is just kind of better to have your business set up in, especially if you're building business credit, because I know with Nexiva, you can actually get your phone listed in the 401 business directory, no problem. I've done it with several of my businesses. I have, I think, 7 lines with Nexiva with 3 different businesses. And the good thing is I'll show you how you can get them to help you build business credit. They don't do it directly, but I'll show you how to do it, okay? I'm getting it reported. My link in the description below, and you'll get a free trial with them. You can get a quote here. So this is basically unlimited voice calling, unlimited internet, fax, free local, and toll-free numbers. So they typically will give you like 2 numbers, 1 toll-free and 1 for like your main number, okay? And you get like voicemail, all that as well. And it's like $21.95 per month, or you can go up with one that has like SMS included. So you can get like the voicemail to email, and you can do text messages, and you got to pay about $5 more for that. But what's nice about that is you can do unlimited audio and video meetings. So it's kind of like a Zoom. So they pretty much have everything like video conferencing, auto attendant call center, online fax, team messaging. So it just depends on what type of business you're in, if this is useful or not. But I'll tell you, if you're just starting up, building business credit up, I would definitely consider getting this added on to whatever you have right now. Whatever phone service you have now, I would still get this, because say you're using a personal or business cell phone line, T-Mobile, AT&T, whatever, that could still be listed in the 401 business directory. But I'll tell you, it doesn't hurt to have another one, especially if you're doing, like, say, you have Opus or virtual assistant line. Sometimes those don't get listed in the 401 business directory. So you could get this one added on and just put that down as a secondary phone number for your business when you're doing the business credit applications. It's very, very reliable. Many different features they have, even the CRM they have connected to it, and call queues, smartphone apps. And typically they'll give you a phone for free if you sign up with them, like a basic phone like this, desk phone, and they have so many other things too. You can just do the voice, the mobile app as well. Anyways, if you use my link in the description below, you'll get a discount. But let me tell you how you can get this to build up your business credit up. Okay. So see how you can see here, it says Nextiva. It reports to Equifax and Creditsafe. So that really does help, especially if you're just starting off building your business credit up. But all you need to do is just sign up with the eCredible. I'll put the link in the description below. It'll get you like 25% off. It doesn't cost much, I think $10 or $15 a month. Use that link, and then use the link to sign up for Nextiva, because one of my reps will get back to you, and you'll get either a trial, 30-day trial, I believe it is, or you're going to get like a discount. And you could, with my sales rep, they'll get you the free phones too if you're interested in those. But you don't need them. But you can always use their app for Android or iOS. So either just hit right here, get a quote, and then you just fill out this basic information, and then they will get back with you, usually within 1 day. Or you can go down to the bottom here and just basically the same information. Okay. So Even like Apple uses them, you know? Anyways, that's all. I just thought I'd bring this up because it definitely helps you build up your business credit if you use it strategically the way that I've done it in the past. That's all building blocks and the ways that I was able to get all these business cards, you know? So this is one method that I did use and utilized. Okay. Um, so it's a trade line that's reported with eCredible. So, all right. With all that being said, you guys take care. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.